Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Reading passage for beginners level 2. Reading passage. The Lost Puppy. One sunny morning, a little boy named Sam was walking to the park near his house. Sam loved animals, especially dogs. As he walked, he heard a soft whimpering sound coming from the bushes. Curious, he went closer to see what it was. To his surprise, he found a small, scared puppy hiding behind the leaves. The puppy looked tired and hungry. Sam gently reached out his hand and said, "Don't be scared, little one. I won't hurt you." The puppy slowly came out and wagged its tail. Sam picked up the puppy and noticed that it had no collar. "You must be lost," Sam said softly. Sam decided to take the puppy home. He gave it some milk and a warm blanket to rest on. The puppy was very happy and licked Sam's hand to show its gratitude. Sam's parents agreed to help him find the puppy's owner. The next day, they made posters with a picture of the puppy and their contact information. They put the posters around the neighborhood and asked people if they recognized the dog. After 2 days, a kind woman called and said the puppy belonged to her. She explained that the puppy had wandered off while playing in her yard. The woman came to Sam's house, and the puppy ran to her, wagging its tail excitedly. Although Sam was a little sad to say goodbye, he was happy that the puppy was back with its owner. The woman thanked Sam and gave him a box of cookies as a gift. Sam knew he had done the right thing by helping the lost puppy. Fill in the blanks. Answers given at the end of the video. One, small. 2, hungry. 3, milk. 4, posters. 5, woman. 6, yard. 7, cookies. 8, owner. Subscribe the channel for more videos.